Se munim nyame for yourself. If you know God personally for yourself and you want to grow as a born again New Testament Christian, na tie de mebeka no. Se wunim sa de no a, Kofi Oduro kra kasa. O de be kompai bom. Te se beria e Christopher no. Akwa be se nyame se, is this your will? Is this your way? Is this obi timiti asore dem no di fa ka chem se nyame se menware o se dampa chomate. You think marriage is an easy thing that we can use, nyame se menware o for marriage, such a decision. Nyame se menwa dampa chomate ene pon wan mehia na maje ho akwanchire. Ya done it to say robots. The remote controls, air control. It's sad. Ladies and wake up! Wake up! Ghana Asafo, wake up! Wake up! Can't you hear God is speaking? Wake up! Monsorim free monna any entokonim entoko enkotonim monsorim free mo. Monsorim free mo. A prophet came by the name Agabus and pulled the belt of Paul and said that the owner of this belt will be bound in Jerusalem and killed, and therefore he shouldn't go to Jerusalem. Paul said, give me my belt. Jerusalem, here I come. I would die for God. How do you explain that? How do you explain the story I just told you? It was like Nyamesofo. Nehemiah asked a question and I want to ask, should a man like me run away? Should a man like me run away? There is one thing. Let's say that all these 8 men have gone into eternal life. Now you're bumpire radinya newom. What do you say, Mobeba? Got a mukan tables, contain the sins in Hunu at the Wahano, or Pepedian. Or Pepedian. Upiania! Ya Wahunan Krunwa or Bepibia. I want to use opportunity to commiserate with all the wives who be only 1 month. Mundi what?